So, good day to each and everyone. So, our topic for today is about the lactation amenorrhea method. It is defined that through exclusive breastfeeding, the woman is able to suppress ovulation and is called the lactation amenorrhea method. If an infant doesn't undergo breastfeeding, this method would not be effective as birth control method. After 3 months of exclusive breastfeeding, a woman must choose another method of contraception. No? So, after 3 months, another method na sad ang gamiton nga as contraception. So, this is the picture. Then next, the coitus interruptus. No? So, it is the oldest method of contraception. Then, a man releases sperm outside the vagina. Hence, he must withdraw his penis the moment he ejaculates. Then, it is concluded that 75%, so not so effective because pre-ejaculation fluid that contains a few spermatozoa may cause fertilization. No? So, ang pre-ejaculation fluid makakause of spermatozoa na spermatozoa that may cause fertilization. Next is the hormonal contraception or the artificial family planning. Effective family planning method that manipulates the hormones that directly affect the normal menstrual cycle so that ovulation will not occur. No? So, ang menstrual cycle will be affected. Then, the oral contraceptives known as pills then contain synthetic estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen, it suppresses the ovulation, then the progesterone decreases the permeability of the cervical mucus to limit the sperm's access to the ova. Then, next is the transdermal contraceptive patch. Then, medicated adhesive patch that is placed on the skin to deliver a dose of medication through the skin and into the bloodstream. Then, has common combination of estrogen and progesterone released into the bloodstream to prevent pregnancy. So, this is the picture of what we call the transdermal contraceptive patch. Next, the vaginal ring. Birth control ring inserted into the vagina and slowly releases hormones through the vaginal wall into the bloodstream to prevent pregnancy. This is what vaginal ring looks like. Then the subdermal implants involve the delivery of steroid progestin from polymer capsules or rods placed under the skin. No? So under the skin siya ibutang. Hormone diffuses out slowly at a stable rate, providing contraceptive effective 1 to 5 years. The picture says it all, that where the arrow, it is the implant is placed underneath the skin of the arm. Then the hormonal injections. Contraceptive injection given once every 3 months. Then suppress ovulation, keeping the ovaries from releasing an egg. Thicken cervical mucus to keep sperm from reaching the egg. So, through injection ni ang hormonal injection. Then, next, the intrauterine device or what we know as the IUD. Small T-shaped plastic device wrapped in copper or contains hormones. So kinsa may mo insert sa IUD? Ang mga doctor. Prevents fertilization of egg by damaging the sperm, then makes the mucus in the cervix thick and sticky so that ang sperm dili makasod through the uterus. Keeps the lining of the uterus from growing very thick, making the lining of a poor place for a fertilized egg to implant and grow. So, mo ni makaingon nga di ma-fertilize ang egg, then walay growth nga mahitabo. So, the picture says that there is a T shape. So, near the uterus, no? Then the chemical barriers. Examples are spermicides, vaginal gels and creams, and glyceria films are also used to cause the death of sperms before they can enter the cervix. Lowers the pH level of the vagina so it will not be conductive to the sperm. It cannot prevent sexually transmitted infections. No, so this is the chemical barriers, no, like mga gels, contraceptive nga mga glyceria film. So this is what it looks like. Then the diaphragm. Dome-shaped barrier methods of contraception that block sperm from entering the uterus. Rubber and formed like a shallow cup. It is filled with spermicide and fitted over the uterine cervix. No? So this is the diaphragm. Next, the cervical cup. Silicone cup inserted into the vagina to cover the cervix and keep the sperm out of the uterus. Spermicide is added to kill any sperm. Not widely used method, so dili ni siya kayo familiar since few healthcare ang mo recommend nga gamiton ang cervical cup. There are also side effects of cervical cup such as vaginal irritation and increase in the number of bladder infections. This is the cervical cup. No? I-insert sa vagina to the cervix. Male condoms. So what is the male condoms? It prevents STDs, no? Sexually transmitted diseases. Then latex or synthetic rubber sheet placed on the erect penis before the vaginal penetration to trap the sperm during ejaculation. No? So matrap ang sperm aning male condoms. No? So mo na porma sa male condoms. The next and the last one is the female condoms. Thin pouch inserted into the vagina before sex to prevent pregnancy and protection from sexually transmitted diseases such as the HIV, and then create a barrier that prevents the bodily fluid and semen from entering the vagina. No, so kung naay male condoms, nasa tay female condoms, so mo na porma sa female condoms adto na sa i-insert sa vagina. No, so it was the end of the slide. Then thank you very much for watching and I hope you learned something. So those are some of the mga contraceptives na pwede gamit that is effective for family planning. Thank you and God bless everyone.